Hi guys. While figuring out what my first video should be about, I realized it should be the one I have the most to talk about, and that is the mistakes and insights I've got as a foreign medical graduate who have lived 6 years abroad. I was always good in academics, but my life took a terrible turn when my dreams crumbled with NEET UG. But you know, right, when one plan doesn't work out for you, there is always another prayer getting answered. I always wanted to study abroad. So, after one failed attempt of getting a government college in India or not wanting to spend too much money on self finance colleges, I packed my bags and thought about pursuing my dream to study abroad. And that's how my story starts as an FMG. In this video, I'll tell you 10 things I wish someone told me before I started as a new medical student abroad. So, let's get started. Research about the country as well along with the college. Remember, you will be spending a good amount of your 20s in this place and it will play a huge part in shaping you. Even the political conditions, the safety, the culture, the people, the financial aspects, and the safety, all of it matters when you study abroad as a medical student or as any student per se. I chose Georgia and it was my best decision, looking at the peace, safety, and acceptance it gives to foreigners. Always do a thorough research about the college you choose and not just blindly listen to the agents. I took a good 3 months to go through every country, every university, its opportunities, living condition, and talk to millions of seniors before choosing my college. My college had and still has the most tough and strict academics, which helped me to pass my licensing exam in the first attempt and also get a good rank in NEET PG. But that was my preference. Your college should be according to your preference and the future you are planning. Now, about the academic part. Starting your life abroad after being in the safe abode of your home can be scary but exciting too. But don't let your excitement take you away from your goals. So much freedom, free will, and no one constantly nagging you to study. Dream, right? But the you 6 years later will either hate you or be proud of whatever you choose to do today. So learn, make new friends and connections, have fun, but always have your eyes on the bigger picture. This is the most important one. You should be very clear or at least have an idea about what you want after 6 years of your study because the path to pursuing PG in every country is different and you have to be very careful of what you spend time on today. I wanted to settle abroad in US or UK and I did so much to make my CV strong. Joined many medical clubs, created first government registered students medical club, organized and presented in conferences and collected LORs. But all of this effort was in vain when I decided to settle in India. Because here, only your NEET PG and ionized scores matter, for which the students here are studying since first year. So I should have focused on that too. Don't take basic subjects lightly, or you will struggle your entire medical life figuring out various concepts. I know it's hard to get into the realm of endless viva, studies, exams as soon as you shift to a new country. That is why I'm telling you from the beginning to be prepared to grind from the first day itself so that you don't regret later in life. Now, this one. Not everyone you meet in the first year are going to be with you till the end. 20s is a very changing, growing realization and learning period of your life. Be prepared to lose friends, go through betrayals, broken expectations, and going through all of it alone. Now, I'm not telling you to isolate yourself, but always be careful about who you choose because these people should be either good for your well being or your growth mentally and academically. Your notes since the very first year should be very structured so that anytime down the line, if you try to refer to them, all these concepts should come to your mind immediately. I was always a note making person, but my notes were so detailed that the millions of notes I made was of no use to me when I started preparing for the bigger competitive exams containing 19 to 20 subjects together. One suggestion is to start making digital notes, about which I learned in the final year when I got an iPad. It has been a game changer where I could highlight, make quick notes, insert important information, and even images to my notes. More details about digital note making will be there in my next video. Believe me, the field of medicine is getting very advanced and competitive with every year. And I'm not just talking about AI, I'm talking about the well read and smart doctors that we see around us every day. So, your skills and personality also matters with your knowledge when you want to move ahead in healthcare. So, get out of books and grab every opportunity to join a medical club, present at conferences, and connect with people. Be prepared to leave everything behind and start a new life. Not to scare you, but to give you a reality check. From now on, you will be missing every festival, every event in your house, your school friends, and every time you visit, your parents will be 1 year older. Remember these years. A bad grade, a bad viva, or a bad friend will just be a part of your life and not your entire story. Today, I miss my university days and I regret losing myself to the studies. I used to paint, play Casio, write, and also read a lot of novels. But I regret losing myself to studies in the first 3 years. But later on, I realized you don't have to sacrifice your other self to study properly as a medical student. You just have to find the balance. These were just a bits of advices I wanted to give you as a senior who has been through it all and has yet to see a lot that is coming her way. If you have any more queries, you can write it to me on the comment section or Instagram or Twitter. There are more videos to come like my digital note making, internship phase in India, and NEET PG prep phase. So don't forget to subscribe. See you all on the other side.